it up.
Oh, what's up?
How are you planning on studying for that midterm?
Oh, I don't think I'm going to worry too much about it. I'll probably just study a little bit on my own tonight.
Oh, I was wondering if you want to meet up, maybe go over some concept reviews.
It'll probably be fine. I got my brain, you got your brain. That's all you really need.
You're right.
But I'll see you on Friday.
Oh, all right, see you then.
All right, see ya.
This scene can look familiar to a lot of students. Although some students are fine studying alone, there are students who perform much better when studying in groups. For students who like to study in groups, it is not always the case that they have a group to study with. Sometimes the friends they want to study with are busy, or they just don't have anyone else to reach out to and study with. They are then left alone, struggling to understand concepts in time for the next assignment or exam.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Man, that midterm, it was terrible.
Do not remind me of that midterm, dude. I did not do good.
I really need to study with someone for the final.
Yeah, this was not going to be very good. Well, hey, have you heard? Well, I would study with you, but I think I have work. That's like a legit reason I can't. I'm not just friends this time.
Yeah.
But have you ever heard of this app Booth?
No, what's that? What's Booth?
Booth is pretty much an app where it has all the active study sessions on campus in real time, where you can download for free on the App Store. Where if you start a session, or anyone on campus starts a session in the same class as you, or in the same, I don't know, your friends, it'll basically pop up here on the map, or it'll pop up in this list view right here.
And those are right here, right now.
Yes, right here, right now.
Okay.
So like, let's look for this session, this test that we're taking for biology. Oh look, and there's one starting in 10 minutes right here.
10 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
Might need to go right now.
Yeah, download it right now.
Okay. Sounds good.
I'm gonna look for a session later tonight.
All right, thank you,
Okay.
man.
See you, bro.
See you.
Good luck.
With Booth, the scene we saw earlier is a problem of the past. You no longer have to worry about understanding complex concepts and working through difficult homework problems alone. Booth makes it easier than ever to find other students to study with. All information about live study sessions on your campus is now conveniently stored in one place. And if you can't find a session that fits what you're looking for, you can host your own session. Not only does Booth help you find study sessions, it also allows you to form connections with other students. These connections will help create a positive learning environment in your campus and an overall memorable college experience. Now, with Booth, you can walk into your next exam with confidence.
Hello, my name is Braden Neal, and I will be demoing Booth. Now, I already logged in with my own account, but at first you will have a login screen and registration screen. The registration, the big thing there is to dictate what institution that you're a part of. That will determine what active study sessions that you are seeing in this viewpoint right here. So I go to the University of Utah and I disclose that at the beginning, which is why all these sessions are here from the University of Utah. But if for whatever reason I mess that up, you can go to your profile and change all the information about yourself. So my name, Braden, major, year, courses that you're a part of, study preferences, availabilities, that sort of thing. Or you can change your college to anything you like. So Salt Lake Community College, if you click that, then you can join it. And then all your new sessions will just be sessions that are happening at Salt Lake Community College. But I'm part of the Utes, so let's go back to the home screen. So here are all the active study sessions. This is a simple view, just like the tidbit preview information of each study session. But if you want more information about one of them, you can click, oh look, teaching myself all of deep learning. Let's click into that. And here's all the more detailed information of the study sessions. Another thing that we have for study sessions, there is a chat room available. This chat room is there, so if someone can't find the group, or they want to put in a ChatGPT answer into the chat, they can do so right here. And you can only do it if you're a part of the session. So I'm going to join. As you can see, that populates me in the session with the rest of them. And now I can type anything I want. And now once you're a part of a session, that is pinned now to the top. Now let's go to the map view. Not only do we have a list view, but we have a map view. This shows all the study sessions that are happening if the owner of the session discloses their location. If they do, it shows up as their owner profile picture here. And when you click on one of the markers, you can see, oh, this study session is happening right here, one of the study rooms, and here's all the tidbit information about that. So from the map, you can join it right there and then in there, or you can expand it to take a look at more details like I showed you before. Map also has a locate feature to see where you are. I'm in the library right now, and you can see where all the sessions around you. And you can also filter sessions. So if you don't want to see all these sessions, you have a specific customization. You can toggle any one of these here, and that will show up in a view the markers here dependent on that. Back to the home screen, you can search for users and you can search for sessions. Another thing, again, they have the filters on the list view as well. And not only that, but you can filter based off of the entire school, which is what we're viewing now, or we can just view the friends here, which I have no friends that are in study sessions right now currently, looks like. But let's go back to the school. You can, to create a session, you would click that plus sign right there, and this is where you fill in all those information about a study session that we think is important to know for a study session. The big thing here is you can put public or private, so you can, if your friends want to see, or the whole world, or you can share your location. This will dictate if you will show up on the map, yes or no. Here we have a usage page. This usage thing shows of all the past few weeks, you can see how many hours I've studied and studied in study sessions. Finally, in the profile, you can edit your profile picture, edit what school you go to like I showed, or check out what friends you have, a list of friends. This will show if they're offline, online, in a study session, what in not a study session. And then if you have any requests, here it is, and you can view if they're like a threat or not. If they are a threat, we of course have the ability to block them. And then we finally have the rehost feature. So this is if you created a session in the past and you want to reinstitute that session, you can go ahead and click rehost and create that session. And then it'll take you to the page to edit anything if you would like. If you're the host, you're allowed to edit. And if I want to edit it like here, I'm going to show my location on the map. It would update the session. And as you can see on the map, there it is, populated.
Hello, I'm Lena Butt, and I'm the front-end developer as well as the data wrangling and data visualization expert of Booth.
Hi, my name is Braden Neal, and I am one of the back-end developers of Team Booth. And my baby of this project was the map integration using Google's Map API.
My name is Joel Guillen. I'm a front-end developer for Booth. I was in charge of the UI and user experience enhancements.
Hey, I'm Nelson. I'm the backend developer and database engineer for Team Booth.
Booth was built using Flutter, which allowed us to target both Android and iOS. Connecting Google's Firebase as a backend, we made full use of their real-time database to give accurate and up-to-date information to our users for a more seamless experience. Not only that, Firebase handled user authentication and user storage, which allowed us to allocate our time and resources elsewhere. We took advantage of Google Maps and University Domains APIs to provide users the experience that we envisioned. Throughout development and weekly meetings, we have resolved over 100 issues as well as over 200 commits toward our GitLab repo. The data that we have collected from our users showed us what elements were intuitive and what were confusing. And this feedback has given us the opportunity to improve the look and feel of Booth. We hope that you enjoy using Booth, the app that makes studying social.